Okay. Let's see if or how many people come on. Oh, well, I don't care. Right now, there's a storm coming up from around Emporia. It's kind of up here to Topeka from the southwest. Right now, I'm currently in southwest Topeka. Trying to get through this traffic. It's almost like people need a fucking invite to goddamn go. Okay, let's see that, Alright, go. People need to learn how to friggin' drive a goddamn roundabout. Alright. But I am going to...
From WIBW TV, a first alert weather update has arrived.
Yeah, no. But anyway, I'm on my way to Auburn. Maybe drop on down to Burlingame. Don't know yet. See how this works out. But right now, I'm trying to go after that. It's coming up from the southwest to the northeast. It kind of looks a little interesting on the radar. But like I said, when I get down to Auburn, I'll see what's going on. Maybe going down into maybe going down into Burlingame. So we'll see what all happens. If anything pops up that's good, I'll come back on live. We'll go from there. How's that sound? Sorry, I also had a good, one hell of a good dinner at Longhorn. Best steakhouse right now. Well, best steakhouse period. Besides some others, but you know, they're a hell of a lot better than Texas Roadhouse. So, but anyway, let me pay attention to the road here, and depending on what I see down there, will depend on if I go live or not. If you don't know, you could also follow me on my professional page, or like my Storm Chaser page, and my Chaser group. If you like links, just let me know, and I'll hook you up. So behave.